What is up? I wanted to share how to paint a shark mouth on your vehicle. I have an older pickup truck that I don't really, that's just a beater. I've always wanted a shark mouth on a vehicle, so I decided that I would go ahead and do it. Did some searching around on YouTube. Couldn't really find any really good videos that showed exactly what to do. So I went ahead and ordered a sticker to put on the truck. The truck's matte green and the sticker was a gloss color. I'm going to try to put a picture on the video right here to show you what it looked like when I just mocked it up. Really didn't like the way that it looked with the truck being matte and the sticker being gloss. So I decided that I'd go ahead and try to paint the shark mouth on the truck. So this is just kind of my experience, kind of how I did it. I'm sure there's right and wrong things that I'm doing. Just showing you guys what I did. If you guys want to try something like this, awesome. If not, then it's at least it's a video to watch. So first things first, what I ended up doing was taking the shark mouth sticker and I cut it out. Found 2 pieces of poster board, taped them together, and then basically cut that outline on poster board. I really wanted a thicker base than just the vinyl sticker base, so that when I taped it to the side of the truck, that I could use a really sharp razor blade and just lightly go around the cardboard, so I could get a good outline for the shark mouth. Once I did that, then I'm going to tape the whole truck up, and then I'm going to lay down some black paint, and then we'll go from there. Right now I have already taped up both sides of the truck, so I will get the camera and show you kind of what I'm working with, and then I'll set the camera up and we will record taping and painting on the truck. Alright, I'll be right back. So like I mentioned earlier, I put the poster board right here on the side of the truck, and then I ran tape all the way around the poster board, and then I took a sharp razor blade and cut it. You can see that it gives a pretty good outline, so that when I spray paint it, that it's not gonna bleed under the tape. It's just regular painter's tape. So I got everything taped up. I did not think to record it at the time, but I did afterwards. So this is basically what it's gonna look like after you get it taped up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work, mask off this side of the truck where I can spray paint, and we'll see how it turns out. One extra thing that I do want to bring up is the fact that after you have taped all this off, you do want to make sure you sand this, make sure you get a nice smooth finish, and then wipe it down with a tack cloth so you can make sure you don't have anything underneath your paint. I actually sanded it before I taped it off, so I'm ready to lay down some paint. Alright, while that's drying, I'm going to head on over to the other side, mask it off, and then we'll go ahead and start painting that side. going to take the sticker inside with some poster board and go ahead and cut out where the teeth are actually going to be. It's Florida and it is super hot outside, so I will go inside, cut that out, and then we'll come back out and I'll show you guys how to tape that one up, cut that one out with the razor blade, and then we'll get the teeth painted on here. I want to give this some good time to dry, so I figure by the time I get done cutting all of that stuff out, it will be ready to go, and then we'll come back out and we'll maybe hopefully try to finish this thing up today. Alright, so I got the shark teeth cut out here on the poster board. I'm going to go ahead and tape it up on the side of the truck here. I'm leaving a black line around the teeth. So let's just get to it. Well, everyone, the phone actually shut off, got a little hot. Apparently the sun came over and started heating it up, but I finished pulling off the poster board, and you can see this is what I'm left with. I'm going to go ahead and finish taping up the whole center section, and then I will hit it with some white spray paint, and then we'll peel it all off. We'll see what it ends up looking like, and hopefully on the other side I can keep it to where the phone won't shut off and you guys can see the whole thing. You basically only missed me pulling off the cardboard, which is pretty boring. But anyway, so here's where I'm at, and I'm gonna finish it up, and I'll turn the camera back on when I'm getting ready to spray paint. Alright, so I got everything finished, taped off. I ran out of green tape, so I had to go run and grab some blue. So everything's taped off. I already kind of cleaned everything up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw down some white paint, and probably do 2 coats on that as well, and then we'll pull the stickers off and we'll see how the sucker turns out. Alright, so I've given it a decent amount of time to dry. I'm actually going to go ahead and start peeling it off, and hopefully it turned out pretty good. Alright, so as you can see, it doesn't actually look too bad. There's a little bit of bleed through of the white right here where apparently I didn't push the tape all the way down. So I'll probably just get a brush and kind of touch that up a little bit just to get that taken care of. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. Looks a lot better than the sticker in my opinion. I will put an eye up here eventually. Probably not going to do the tongue like you see in some of them, but I am going to put an eye up there, so when I do that I'll record how we did that as well. I'm going to do the other side. Alright, so we got everything taped off. I got everything adjusted to make sure everything was good to go. So now we're going to put on some white paint.